Hey, Phil here with a little update on the toothpick. Got about 25 packs through it now. Really been enjoying it. Been having a lot of fun. The only issue I've been currently having with it is a bit of shaking. A little worse than Jello when I'm having those mid-throttle oscillations. So when the RPM's kind of low, it's doing fine on these Gemfan Flashes. Mid-range, it starts to get shaky, and then when I'm just about full stick, it kind of evens back out. And so I've been kind of thinking about how I can get around that. I saw even the King Kong 65's props, even properly drilled, they were giving some vibration. So I've been kind of thinking about what are some other prop options, and I came across this, the Gemfan Rush. Let me see if I can, there we go. Interesting shape. This was designed for the 2.5-inch Baby Hawk, and I have now put 10 or so packs on these, and I am absolutely impressed. So they are much more smooth, even though, take a look at that pitch. Compared to the Flashes. Flash a little bit even all the way through there, but these Flashes, even though they have the high pitch, at least at the beginning of the hub, they are just smooth. They have a little less punch than the Flashes overall. I found a little less control, but they are so smooth. What I also like about them is the center hole is tight enough on these 1.5 millimeter shafts. I'm running the Amex, or whatever we're calling them, motors, the 1103s, and I do not need to run the screws with them at all. The Gemfan Flashes, I do. And I don't know if that helps with maybe why it's more just smooth in the air. I'm just getting almost absolutely nothing. Just if I'm doing certain maneuvers in kind of inverted or coming out of certain moves, I found I could get a little bit, but just so much less than with the Flashes. So I'm sending this video out after I just ordered a ton more of these. So I wanted to make sure that I had my order in there before everyone else, because I am really happy with these. I'll show you some video going back between the Flashes and the Rushes, the Avan Rushes. You'll see some of the difference there with the shaking, and you'll see I'm also getting 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes of flight time with these. So I've been super happy with the flight time as well. I'm going to be sticking with these. If I was just kind of thinking about racing, I think I would stay with the Flashes just because of the speed and the control. But for what I'll actually be flying it for, which is just for fun, freestyling, I'll be using the Avan Rushes.